It's good to be back once again to talk about our operating results. And 2013, we expected it to be a building year. We expected to be moving several projects forward. We expected the first half of our year to be slightly less production than the second half. And as we move out of the first quarter, we're right on track in terms of production. We're right on track in terms of cost. So we were really looking to advance projects which are just going to drive future growth for the company. And we've done that in the quarter. We restarted the Creston Mascota heap leach operation in Mexico. We've continued to advance our underground infrastructure at LaRonde to access more of the higher grade material. And we've made very good progress on our two main construction and development projects at Goldex, which is the restart of satellite zones, and also our new mine at La India in Mexico. Both of those mines are set to start within the next few quarters. Those two mines, in addition to LaRonde and the restart at Creston Mascota, are going to drive good, solid, steady growth for Agnico Eagle into 2014 and into 2015. The gold industry continues to evolve. It's moved from a period of growth for growth's sake to a period where the focus is on returns, the focus is on dividend yields, the focus is on execution and predictability. I think what's happened recently with the volatility in the gold price is that that's actually going to accelerate this evolution of the industry away from growth for growth's sake and more to a return capital discipline approach. And Agnico's been out in front of that. We've got a growth profile and a growth expectation, but it's growth we can manage. It's growth we can manage because we have the skills to manage it, but we've also done it before. These assets are in areas we know well. They're the type of assets that we do well with in terms of them being well matched to our skill sets. So we see good, solid, manageable growth 2014, 2015. We continue to look at investment opportunities to give us more projects to invest in to add more value over time. So despite the volatility, despite the uncertainty, our focus is on our business. And that's really what we can do. We can't control the gold price, but we can control how we invest in new projects, which projects to invest in, the timing of how we allocate capital to those projects. And we've just given ourselves choices and options on how to grow the business. So we like the way we're positioned. It is a difficult time, but again, we see it as a time of opportunity. And historically, it's been a time where Agnico's actually done well and excelled in these types of periods because we've stayed focused and we've stuck to the strategy.